Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and my dear subscribers. Welcome back to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, jewelries, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear friends, hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. Friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And this is our YouTube channel, and we hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, today I'm gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of plus size wrap styles bodycon dresses. My dear viewers, these dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these styles are not only fits with your style but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. So friends and my lovely viewers, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. These beautiful ideas are bound to give for your own outfit, no matter your celebration theme. My dear friends, in this video you will see the wide range of dress designs for any occasions. Make your memories more special with one of our dress designs. It will add some more beauty and gorgeous look to your personality. So friends and viewers, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of plus size wrap style bodycon dresses, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Love you all.